Song is a little bit clip happy. Maybe the recording's a bit too loud. RuneScape. Why would you say that? I beat that game. I don't need to play it anymore. I'm free. Like, I see why they call it coffee. What am I coming back to? Death. Why did you say RuneScape? I beat that game. I don't need to play it again. A beer. Damn. At this time of day. Alright. I cried a little bit. I'm gonna go rinse my eye. I'm gonna cry. One v one in duel arena. 1v1 me in smithing. Oh, I won. You gave me 100K. Oh, did I? Are you a ghost of my past? Little snack. Why? Cortex. Cool. Okay. So what I'm doing right now, these are is trying to fix very deep physics bugs. Ugh. So yesterday I figured out so loud. I figured out something about one of the physics bugs, the 7 deadly sins. So in Monster Jam, the source map, you would fall through this specific part consistently. And I was able to use that through great effort to find out why it happened. Only because it was consistent and it happened every time. It was really hard to find a bug like that. So today I'll either try to locate another bug or fix this one. Ran out of storage. Classic. Let's see how much storage it's using. Actually, is there... Remove the target directory. Okay, so the only way to do it is to clean. I will clean. 16 gigabytes. Holy. What do you call those in English? Bjornbar. Bjornbar? Bearberry. Interesting. Blackberry. Some of them are good. Ooh. Right. Sweet or sour? It's like mostly sweet. Some of them are a bit more sour. Varies widely depending on the specific berry. Any bitterness from the coffee? No, it was a bit more sour. Okay. Am I getting berry juice on my shirt? This is my date shirt. Vec. Faces. Any dairy? Of course. Got a big load of cream in the coffee. I put like a big chunk of cream at the bottom. So the fix for the bug was right. There's also this. Yeah. Bits. Bits. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay. So I'm gonna try and do this right now. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what is this? Face into iter pause. So we have the vertex position. Then we acquire a vertex ID. So I want want. Double allocate. Reference doing sort. Shouldn't be that bad. Sort by. I don't think I can actually access the mesh builder stuff, so. I guess it's a double allocate. I guess I also know how many triangles there's going to be. Right? Do you always swap? When you do triangulation, does it always swap the triangles? Is there always the same number? Quickly. So I'm talking about this again. Are all of these always the same number of triangles? Like, look at this. See this big square or quad with 4 vertices? There's a line going through it. If you were to take that line and swap it to go this way, you've just swapped the vertices. Yeah, so like that's the only operation you can do. Yeah, okay, so it is going to be the same number of triangles. Okay. So I can like pre-allocate the. Okay, so I don't need mut it. I can just go like let CW verts. I think it's CW, and then we do collect. I might need to specify that's a vec. And I am going to make an ad hoc struct here with the position. I think I'll tag the position on the end, actually. All right, so this is vertex ID, position ID. Position. I want the actual. Okay, so to calculate the area, all you got to do is take the cross product, and it's proportional to the area, right? So now I have a list of all the vertices, and I need to like, oh goodness. Take the max area. Oh, is it guaranteed? Yeah, no, it's guaranteed to be convex. Okay, so it should fill in between. What are the triplets? Do you really just have to brute force the starting point? What is that? Yeah, it's from the inside. So I have the list of vertices on the outside of this. And I would like to triangulate it like this. By greedily stealing the maximum area triangle. This is an irritating algorithm. Gosh, am I gonna just do recursion then? This is an irritating algorithm, goddamn. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna outsource my critical thinking skills and degrade my mental capabilities. Oh yeah, I was trying to get the AI to give me ideas yesterday as well. An algorithm to triangulate a list of vertex convex vertex positions which are pre-sorted in clockwise order. Using the max area technique. Surely that's enough information, right? Oh llama serve. That's with an R. I got the AI. So right now it's spinning up the GPUs. Or actually it's filling the RAM. There we go. Let me start. The farthest points from the given vertex would be adjacent vertices. Farthest points. No. Yes, that is the key. How do I efficiently find the maximum area without... I'm glad it's going for efficiency because like I forgot to specify that. Maximum area among all possible triangles. Remove the vertices of T except for one edge? What? The remaining points may not form a convex polygon anymore. Interesting. That's totally false. It's fun to watch it go. It's like I'm watching a programming junior make a bunch of mistakes. But like it does something fast. Like I could write this algorithm, but I don't want to. Okay, so sets. Um. Hmm. I think the best way to do it is with recursion, or the most terse, concise way to do it is with recursion. You would brute. I don't know how to do the first triangle without brute forcing it, but so if you brute force the first triangle, then you can call a function recursively on the remaining little bitties, and then it would like add more triangle there, and that would be quite efficient. So the initial triangle selection is O(n) cubed, but then the further triangle selection is just like O(n), but I guess squared because you're doing it for each. Oh my god, bruh. Okay, so well maybe there's like a bisection type algorithm for determining the max area. You're like searching through 3D-ish space, or you're searching for 3 indices which form the maximum. Alternatively. Oh. No. That's not correct. You can't just take the longest chord. It might be a good starting point, though. It's still O(n) squared. Is it guaranteed? I guess it's all about guarantees. About what are the guarantees of the mean value theorem? The area, does it always shrink? Convexity. Probably it must grow and then shrink. There has to be a maximum vertex or vertices. I don't think you can go up, down, up, down. I don't think you can have multiple inflections. It's not an inflection point. That's the third derivative. I think I'm overthinking it, and I should just use the O of n cubed algorithm because there's going to be like 5 vertices, so. Oh, 5 cubed. Oh! Type fast? Yeah, I don't even have to be at the computer. I can just like be programming, you know? This is Olama running the QWQ model, which is supposed to be smarter than DeepSeek. And smaller. So it's a 32 billion parameter model. And it beats the 671 billion parameter model, DeepSeek. What is bro yapping about? Among all vertices. This specifically for programming? No, it's a general model. Like DeepSeek. It's still going, yeah. All right. Well, I think I know what to do. Vec faces to mesh. Polygon list. Vec vertex ID. Shut up. Okay, so there's going to be 2 parts. Select maximum area triangle. Scan and select maximum area triangle O of n cubed with a 3. And then scan and select more maximum area triangles n times O of n for effectively. Okay, so it's like aha. So the problem is I have already been there. So I need to like iterate over all unique unordered triples. All right. New. Can I just like hold on? Write an algorithm to iterate over all unordered triples in a list exactly once. Oh, it stopped. Dang it. I wanted to run both at the same time. Damn it. Now, to write this as a step-by-step answer. Damn, it really thought about that for so long. Well, in programming terms. Okay, so for each triple, what? Oh, yeah, nice, thanks. Okay. I hate it when it underlines all the code. Okay, so for v0, v1, v2 in triples, which is not a real thing. Well, actually, we can do iter max, can't we? Yeah. Legitimately, we can just do like let v0, v1, v2 equals to triples iter max. Or it's supposed to already be an iterator. Map I don't know. Oh, it's max by, right? Max by, and then you got v0, v1, v2, and then v2 minus v0 cross v1 minus v0. Dot length squared, and that'll do. And unwrap, because it's always gonna find it. So this is a slow algorithm to select the biggest triangle, and then do we go off of the indices? All right. N minus 1, N minus 3. Oh, is that it? Zero. I guess. Right, I'm a dummy. It wrote it multiple times. Why is it doing... Okay, that's right. It's lower. It has to leave room for the other two. I've done this before. Max. How do I... Can you flatten iterator? Let's try it. Iter. No way. Map. Flat map. V0. have to enumerate. I think I do. Okay, so actually I gotta have multiple of these. Skip. Right. The problem is I always want it to be like relative. I don't know. Let's see how I do. Okay, flat map, and then again, CW verts, slice. Right. Length -2. And then I0 plus 1, length -1, iter, enumerate, but then you need to add back on. Let's try that again. Okay, so I1 is like not real. It's actually like I0 plus I1, 0 plus 0 plus 1. That maybe. And then, oh, we actually don't need to enumerate for the last one. So this can be iter map. V2, and then the final result is V0, V1, V2. Surely. Am I stupid? Triples. 2 arguments. Huh? F. Item. Max by key. Yeah. Unknown. Huh. So, there's an extra layer of indirection. Oh, I see. Flat map. Okay, so it's anything that does into iterator, right? So an iterator also does into iterator. Did I do it? I don't know. Okay, I don't know why it's being like this, but surely. Why are you doing like this? Unknown. Why does it say unknown? Oh, it is known. You goob. Oh, vertex ID. Wait. Oh. Oh. Right. So it has the position, but then in the end, I only need the vertex ID that matches. Uh-huh. So these are like earth, 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 earth. Move. I think I want to transpose it. I think it'll be a bit easier to work with. So I'll do it like this. Is this like this? Yes. Okay. Yeah. So then this we'll do like this. We'll do the transpose. ID 0, ID 1, ID 2. Or, yeah, it's a transpose. And then now over here, instead of this goofy thing, it is some other goofy thing. So we don't care about this, but then we do care about this V0, V1, V2. They're freaking references again, bruh. Is it like this? Yes, okay. And then now this, finally, we can steal the indices, ID1, which is owned by the current function, closure. Okay, so this is a move problem, right? It borrows ID1. It does not. This is it. Just move it. Okay, how about this? Why is it borrowed? Copy it. Cannot move because it's borrowed. Oh, true. Hmm. 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 All right. Shut it. Uh. Okay. Well, it's a little bit tricky. Oh, okay. Surely my little algorithm works, right? So now I need a recursive algorithm. Oh, is that by index? Oh, wait. Crap. I did it wrong. CW verts. Indeed, I did it wrong. Oh. Interesting. So I do actually need the enumerate on the final thing. And I believe this is like that. Okay, so oh, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. What this? Yeah. Why does it say unknown? Bruh. So it selects the vertex indices. So now I need to go chunk, chunk, chunk. And they're always the correct order. Can you see why I wanted to have a computer write this for me? It's irritating. Oh my god, bro. So now for the second part of the algorithm. So basically, I'll go like, let mutt try equals vec with capacity. I know the final capacity will be len minus 2. And then I do like this. Wait. Tries push, I guess. Pain. Yeah. Am I allowed to do like this? No. Okay. Okay, so Master of the game. Okay, so this is Vec. CW and then I0 for real dot 0 and then tries. Yeah. I0, I1, I2. Pioneer. It's the pivot. The big one. And then subdivide max area. CW verts. And then I0, I1. And then, oh, we're gonna need more than that. I1, I2. And then that's not I2. And then again, I2 and I0. I'm gonna like wrap it around with modulo. Yeah. I0 is guaranteed to be smaller than I2. So I need a mutt. Yeah. Mutt. Boom. And why did it do that? That's annoying. Mutt. Okay, so we're like building on this list. I like having the mutable arguments as the first argument. The outputs. So I could include this in here, but that would be a lot more data moving. Okay, so the idea is we're here. We have a big old triangle. So I say, so this is like vertex 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, 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 12, whatever. And I say, okay, vertex 1 and vertex 7 do everything in between. So it's the algorithm is going to go, okay, so I have vertex 1 and vertex 7. Let's see what the max area is. It's this one. And then it does that, and then it'll call subdivide twice. And that's how it's going to work. Okay, so subdivide. Function subdivide max area. Function signature. Oh my god. Tries mutt vec vertex ID. Surely, right? And then CW verts is a slice over a tuple of U size? No, vertex ID. And PV3. Irritation. Who else did this? model. Okay, self model self vertex ID would be nice. So then I can do, okay, it's only right there. Vertex ID and PV3. Okay, so it's a tuple of that, and then we have I0 is usize, I1 is usize, and that's the function. Don't wear it out. And it goes like if let sum I equals to CW slice I0 plus 1 I1 minus 1 iter enumerate max by key, same calculation I'm about to calculate, except it doesn't guarantee it exists. It'll only call additional subdivides if it's for real. And so this is maximum by keybum. It's gonna be like I actually, maybe that's a good idea. Well, it's not that bad. Okay, stop. Would this slice fail? I don't actually know. Let's try. Get foo. Yeah. Foo. Cool. Okay. So let's go let equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll do 0. And then we'll do let slice equals to ASD 3, 2. So true. Okay, so then is that a runtime panic? Panic. It is a panic. Okay, what about get? Out of bounds. Cool. Okay, so good to know. Yeah, okay, so yeah. Okay, so I can actually do the if let on the slice. And then the rest of it on the inside of the statement. So we go like if let sum slice equals to dot get boom. Then slice iter, enumerate max by key, unwrap. Let I pause equals to that. Right. GG. No way. What do you suppose the optimal draw order is? Because depending on how I call this function, I can draw clockwise. Or I can draw the biggest ones first, or I can draw the smallest ones first. I think it probably doesn't matter nearly as much as the like max area stuff, because it's submitted as a job regardless. I don't think it would make much difference. So I'm just gonna go for clockwise because I think that's cool. All right, so item vector tree. So we don't actually need the vertex ID. We just kidding. Oh, yes. Yes, no, yes, no. For this calculation. Okay. You know what? I could call this I2, and then this is obviously I1. Cool. Okay, so we don't need the vertex ID for this calculation. This is the exact squibbity dibbity calculation right here. We do not appear to have V2 and V0. Huh. Interesting. Oh, that's the position. Indexing. So I can go like V. Surely. V0 is PV3 and V2 is also PV3. No way. Uh-oh. That. Okay. Oh, interesting. Right. Okay, so now we have I1. So now if we call subdivide first, I0, I1, v0, v1. V1 comes from here. Do I steal it? I think I do steal it. ID1, V1. Yep. This goes like this. It's already mutable. Hooray. And then we do like this. We go tries dot push vec. The algorithm. Wait. Iter enumerate. So I'm building. This is map. Right. It goes like that. That's where it's used. Okay. And then we need the data associated. Yeah. This is just unheard of in Lua. This would be a giant block of code. It already is a giant block of code. Can you imagine expanding this? All right, let's give this a hard time. Olama run QWQ. Rewrite this code to be better. All right, good luck. So, do I want to blast this through as well? These are the IDs. Okay, it doesn't like it. It's got to be either like, I think that's wrong. Probably drawing max area. That first sip of coffee almost killed me. That's crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna draw max area. First, because I think it's either going to be max or min that has the best performance and not something like clockwise. So this should be ID0, ID1, ID2. But we don't have ID0 or ID2. We could reindex, or we could pass it in. It is clone copy. God damn. Just something right here. taken from there, but it needs it here. Like I could steal these values and send it all the way through the iterator, but that has a lot of churn, and I only need to index the final values, so I think it's fine. All right, so now we do the same thing again. Like this, and we call it ID. I think I'm done. Okay, so there is max area. Not exactly. Oh my goodness. Triple indices. Indices are being mishandled. Hey, yo. What? Hold up. Oh, iter tools. Oh my god. I was like, there's no way, right? Oh my god. Okay, so that should do the trick. Let's see. The strafe. Yeah. Yeah. Did it finish? This is more complicated, and this seems confusing. The AI said, "I'm confused," and then quit. Holy. I've never seen that. That's so funny. Me, make this code better. The AI, I'm confused. Holy. Let's see what let's see what ChatGPT does. We gotta try all of them, you know? Make this code better. Thanks. Alright, Claude. Just using entire data centers to make this code better. Surely. Quest markers have unwrapped. So, yeah. GG. That's It didn't change it. Dude, it just added formatting. Get out of here. .1. All right, so it made another function. This is at least doing something with the code. Find max area triangle. So look, this is the expanded version. DeepSeek. I'm not going to a Chinese website. This is effectively DeepSeek. This is a less censored and stronger model than DeepSeek. This is QWQ. I'm not sending my code to China. They can steal it themselves. You can just go here and steal it. U.S. government, gladly. Here's all my code. Buh. Oy, 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 oy. Oh. Oh my god, bro. Okay, well, okay, builded. We builded it. So now, run. Panic. Makes sense. 217. Really, right here. So okay, did we end? We must have ended up with an empty slice. Oh, is that wrong? I think that's wrong. So I think that, so it, I think that's wrong. I think I'll do like this. Something wrong, exactly. I think it's still going to panic though. Because an empty slice is still a valid slice. I wonder if max by key runs. All right, well, it'll panic again, and then I'll just fix it. Cool. All right, so now we do the same thing here. If let's doink, and then no unwrap. I thought that it was guaranteed, but I was wrong. What? Cool. No way. Overflowed stack. Okay, so the recursion isn't honing in properly. Right, because I1 is relative to I0. Oof. It's very subtle. Why are people saying my vacuum is expensive? What even is it? Wind tunnel 3-channel suction Hoover air. All right. Shopping Hoover air wind tunnel suction. That's the one. Wind tunnel 3 high performance. Nope, that is not the one. I don't want troubleshooting. I want price. How about shopping? So cringe. Bro, just... Alright, we're just going to use an affiliate link. That's the one. What's up, guys? I'm reviewing this vacuum. Buy this vacuum here. Affiliate link. Currently unavailable. What was the price? Hoover Air Steerable UH. Oh my god, bro. I have the model number now. Currently unavailable. Bro, I just want to see what the price was. $189. All right. Problem solved. Mystery solved. New dust filter. Hoover Mac Extract Pressure Pro Model 60. XD. Okay. Did it do the build? I think I did that, right? Stack Overflow again. Nah. Oh. Stop. Stack Overflow. Don't do that. Oh my god, bro. All right. Print it. What the hell, bro? Bruh. 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 Oh. Come on, man. I can't do this no more. BSP loader takes so long to build. One three one three one three. So okay, plus one. Because it starts at plus one. Okay, this also starts at plus one. So this is also wrong? Am I stupid? Is that plus two? No, it starts at this. So I0 is normal. Zero, one, two, 0, 1, 2. It is plus two, isn't it? Because, like, this one is 0. This one is also 0. This one is also 0. Zero, 0. It should be 2. If I am not misstupid. Misstupidin'. Cool. All right, so I was just, like, completely wrong. Classic. This is like outside the reach of standard library Rust programming. ItterTools has a thing that does this, but I ain't importing all that. Ooh. 30 seconds per compile. I should switch to the Roblox maps. This is no. Okay. Yeah, no, I need to do this for the Roblox maps as well. Oh my god. Sick. Cool. All right, let's stop printing. All right. Okay, so something bad about this. Oh. Is it now doesn't work at all. Something good about this is that it doesn't work at all. that a crash? I'm gonna guess that there's something wrong. State of the playlist. I need to download more songs. I think there's like 200 new songs or something. I should have done it. Oh well. Hopefully I remember. Why does everyone care so much what vacuum I have? It's just a vacuum. Vacuum enthusiasts crawling out of the woodworks to review my vacuum cleaner. So I need to rebase this. Actually, you know what I can do is just merge into this branch. It's not gonna work. Give it a shot anyways. Debug graphics. It's this branch. No. No, it's this branch. Why did I put this comment on this branch? Right, because I want to see it, but... Right, I guess it's kind of all in one. Yeah. I need to press some buttons. Alright. Print pause. And then debug graphics is not the same as print pause. I don't need that comment right now. But I can merge this into this. Maybe. Oh my god. So debug graphics. Please. Please don't die. Oh, okay. So now I can see what the hell it looks like on the inside. Never mind. As ref. What the hell? Physics. I see. So this is now as ref. That's so true. So true. So true. I bet it's gonna be like messed up. Jesus. Not done yet. Takes so long. Oh. Yeah. So we appear to be missing quite a bit here. Okay, so I think it's over here. Yeah. So it looks like everything is like missing one face. Zero. I think it makes sense. I2 minus 1 equals. Huh? Plus 2. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's plus 2. Is that also plus 2? Uh. No. No. Where the freaking... That's plus 1 because it's... I0 plus 1, that's the first element. That's where you're going for. So if I1 is 0, then I0 plus 1, that's the one. You're gadoosh on the thing. Huh? Huh? Oh. Ugh. Subdivide. Is this loggy? It's the sum of O inlet and square divided by 2 recursive. I don't know. It might be loggy. I don't know. N log n probably. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. That was 10 minutes ago? Feels like it's ancient history from the before times. Why does my brain work like that? Everything in the past is like set in stone from the Neolithic. Like, I guess it is set in stone, but like always been that way. Why do it be doing like this? Ow. I can't see the logic mistake. I don't know if it's here. Plus 2. Plus 1. I think that's right. I don't have brackets here. I can't see the mistake. So you start at I0 plus 1 and you go to I2 minus 1. So like if that's if that's vertex 1 and vertex 3, then you start at vertex 2 and end at vertex 2. And when you enumerate find the maximum value, does this skip that? I don't know. Hopefully. It's always that midpoint value. I'm so confusion. I found the problem. Okay, I see. It's because this one is reversed. Okay, it doesn't do modulo. Okay. So you can't get a slice across the end of the list. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Um, So yeah, I can't get a slice. God, I'm just. Uh, should I stop with the AI? It's just so convenient to like ask it to do it and then see it do it wrong and then be like, wow, I'm so much better. convenient, I say. Can you fix this code to wrap over the end the list when I2 is less than I0? Thanks. Okay. Then I'm gonna do it myself. Let's see. For so we know for just call. So I'm gonna do like this, and then I'm gonna do modulo. Okay, it's already good. CW I1. So that is the thingy. So we can do like this, but it's not necessarily the best. Oh, we already have I1. It does kind of need to be special to avoid extra work. I think I can do it. So I don't actually care. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna optimize this. If I0 plus 1 does not equal I2 minus is greater than. Ew. So if it's greater, then we start looping. And we can start after. So we're gonna I2 plus 2. We say let mut best area equals to this. So we only do the work when we know that there's at least one. So V1 is like this. Oh, actually, yeah, let's scope it. Forgive me. If, okay, yeah. if best area is less than area, then best I1 equals I1, and best area equals area. So long. And then right, I0 plus 1. That is not possible, but I2 that I1 equals I1 Euclid CW length. Should work. And then now so then oh, I forgot it was doing something. It doesn't, it's not really well trained to stop thinking. I don't see it stop thinking when I give it a complicated problem. Yeah. Does it show code? Ew. Not sure. This is getting complicated. Well, it doesn't like thinking. Maybe it's not the best model. But whatever. F64 chain. I did think about that as well. So what's the problem? The problem is it might not be real. So, but if okay, what's the case? The case is if I0 and I2 are adjacent. So I should be able to go like if I0 plus 1 equals I2. Return. And that should protect me. From all the bad cases. So this is always in order. So it should be here. Should just be for real. Okay, who is ID1? I1 is best I1. Okay. Look at how much uglier it is. Do you remember what the old code looked like? So nice. And I was like, all right. So then down here, I2 is always bigger than I0. So I have to just add len here. That's it. Should be good. Surely. Ugh, I'm gonna heat up my coffee. I'm fixing the bug. Okay. $236. That's true. That's true. It's true. Rem Euclid. I know this will fix it, but I'm trying to think if there's a better way to do it. Whatever. Is that on the... Surely. Oh. That looks not good. I was correct. It's just blasting a CPU core. You can see at the bottom here. Strafe client, 100% CPU. Meaning one full core is loaded. How did I... Oh, wow. Typo. Okay. GG. I see. Not sure how... Oh, that's how. That'll do it. I think I got it. Oh, come on. What? This... How is it not Stack Overflowing? The only way it... What? What? Return. Ah. I wish it didn't take 30 seconds. What? Does this loop wrap? Okay, it takes so long. I can probably go here and do it in the same amount of time that takes to build. 4. Nope. Like the only... What? How is it hanging like that? It's not checked. Okay, I0 plus 1 is less than I2 minus 1. So I0 plus 2 should be less than or equal to I2 minus 1. So what gives? Oh. No. I guess I should print it. So clearly it's doing something insane. All right, time to wait 6 years. I guess I can go over here and do equal. This is very unexpected. Oh. Do y'all get it? Very special case. Hmm. Hmm. Zero. It can be 0? I guess so. Plus. Oh, it's in this. It's in the recursion. Okay. I see. Okay. Makes sense. -1. Hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so the sorting guarantees are Okay, so I think what I want to do is rem in the index and leave it otherwise, so that it's guaranteed to be in order. And that includes here, I think. Whoosh. So I think this never hits 0. +2, yeah. That's brutal. Right back. Okay. Nice. Okay, we got. Can I lead jump? Ooh. Sag. Aye. Uh. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Five. Makes sense. It's really rare to have more vertices. Ay, 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 ay. Boogie, oogie, oogie. Make sure you do that. How's it going? Fix index wrapping. I gotta see it. Okay. I'm sending the bug fix for the bug that I'm fixing. Oh. I'm not like permanently and like doing it right, but it'll work. It is documented. Surely I remember when I need to actually change the mesh format, right? All right. Show me. Oh. 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 Okay. That looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah. Just can't boogie no more. Alright. Does the bug fixed? That looks rather not fixed. I'm seeing it is a little bit RNG. The triangulation is looking good. What about you? So the triangulation goes for max area. What would that do there? Surely it would be that one. And then two triangles hanging out the sides. So I actually implemented max area. Oh, really? Damn. Clips that. That's crazy. You can... That's not true. You can totally see up there. Why is that face clipped? Yeah, so with the new triangulation, this face is two faces. Boogie good, but like and the algorithm sucks. So you always fall through when you cross a boundary to another face. So I need to like fix that as well. It's on the list. That's bug number 1. So fixing bug number 2 makes bug number 1 more prevalent. What about the why? Is this a freaking different bug? Wow. Those are getting worse. Divide by 0. Ugh. What? Why are you on like that? Ooh. Why is that underscore stupid? Okay. So these are ready to merge, but gotta fix more bugs. Go. So I need to make a new unit test. I don't even know if this algorithm worked. What if it just picked the minimum area by accident? It doesn't super matter. the the normals are gonna be bad because it'll calculate the faces as flush. The okay. Um. Here, this is a problem. Do not hash faces to get face ID. Meshes can have multiple ND representations do identical ND representations while still being distinct faces. Especially concave meshes. When the complete mesh is a non-convex mesh. Fix more bug. Oh, the more bug. One bug squash, but it's accentuated the other bugs. I totally expected that though. This is the most programming zone susceptible to problems. Well, I did it. Max area is done. Oh, so mentally exhausting to like know that I'm gonna just be bashing my head against the code every day. I have actually found a problem though. It's like depressing that there's another bug that has the same effect as the one I just fixed. So it like effectively doesn't matter that I just fixed it for the short term because it still happens for a completely different reason. Well, conceivably for a completely different reason. Maybe I didn't fully fix it. I don't know. Okay, how do I gotta generate another map file. And then make the unit test run again and go do the bug find, do bug process. Go do. Okay, merge to, who did this? What is this? Triangulation. So that's just so that I can see it while I... find it. Where'd it be? What? Debug graphics. Is that even? Oh, I see. Okay, okay. So I want this comment on this branch. So this should be called like something like that. It's fine. In rain. Whew. Okay, now what? Now what? Now what? Okay, I have to make the unit test run, and it has to be built on top of the max area triangulation branch. That is the bug 2 branch, and the fancy bug fix. It do be doing like that. So this who okay, yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, so then we can put this on top of that one. Rebase, and it's gonna kill me, but that's okay. We can just get the bits in there. Little bits. Good. Good. Oh, easy. Damn. Okay. So we're chilling. Absolutely chilling. And then the bug. So then what? Why did it rebase it on the wrong one? Bro. Just take this, okay? Slog. Surely. Okay. That was silly. I don't know why I rebased it on the wrong branch. Okay, so I have this stuff. I'm gonna go to this branch, and I'm gonna build the map tool. Why? Because I'll just do it first. Why would you do that? So, okay, I'm building the map tool so that I can convert the map and have the max area version of the brush mesh generation made into a final file and use that file for the unit test. So now I need to convert it, then load the file, teleport to the position, find things. Ooh, is this debug graphics? Surely. Print body position. I want it. Is this the same branch? God damn it. So this is same branch as debug graphics, except it doesn't have this comment. So I can go and then cool. Okay, so then I build this version of this. I don't need that. And then what? Oh, I called a run. You goob. Okay. So now I can go here. Yeah. Integration testing, Monster Jam. This should work. It didn't work. That's so true. Okay, so I need to load the CSS files so I have the correct textures and stuff. Now it generated a file, so now I go back here, and then this is built. I run it with the integration testing Monster Jam sniff, and I load this up. Why is this version? Does that print pause? I don't remember this branch including the debug. It does include the debug visuals. Okay. Whatever you say, boss. Okay. So we got the debug visuals. I need to print it and then evince the bug. Okay, it's this way. Okay. The bug. Okay. So it was around here. So if I press P, it'll print that. And I fell through. So great. That's it. That's all I need. So now I can grab the body position. Go to the and update the position. After the fix, it's still happening, possibly for a different reason. New position. 2 events. I freaking love that word. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. You can see it's a slightly different position. And so then now when I go bop on the map, new bug. Who dis? Bop on the bop. Then now I go to the another thing, CD integration testing, cargo run release bug 2. Please. And there we go. So now it's going to try to do the bug. Miss. We're back to miss. Okay, so yeah, this is a different bug. Oh my god. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh boy. Okay, so physics setup. Miss. That's correct. And then physics crawl. So we got an edge vert. It is the same case, funnily enough. And we're going through. And none of the... Oh, D value is 0. Interesting. It's exactly 0. But that means that it's kicked away because it checks if it's negative, and 0 does not count as a negative value. So we've got this edge face here, but it is not suffering from the same problem as the other one where the normal vectors were 0. This is actually just bugged. It could very well will be that the problem isn't in the same function, but interestingly, it's calling the exact same code. So let's go look at that code again. Oh my god. So this is here. All right. So this is edgevert, and that's where it's calling. It's edgevert calling. Hello, edgevert. Okay, so and it's returning an edge, which is not in and of itself a problem. So the normal vectors are facing opposite directions. That could totally be the problem. So the face normals are facing the same direction, but the Scoobert Dubert normals, I don't know what the hell that is. N, huh? Edge face. Oh, that's in the face color. Edge face, N. Edge ID, I. Edge faces. So this is an undirected edge. So I think I actually don't know. I actually don't know. It's supposed to always be like left, right. So the undirected edge does actually have a direction, but it's not guaranteed what that direction is. But if you query the faces relative to the edge direction should be the same, like, parity. So doing stuff like that, I should totally stop doing stuff like that. I gotta like conditionally negate it. Toggle sign. I need a branchless sign toggle that can easily plumb through vectors. I guess that's XOR, isn't it? Mut bit sign XOR. That works, doesn't it? Hmm. 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 My, I. It's doable now. I have new tools. I don't know if now is the right time to do it. All right, screw it. I'm just gonna go like, and then we'll see what happens. It's gonna die, but that's okay. Die instantly. Okay. The setup may fail. Did it get to the same place? 32.6. So previously it said something different as far as I can remember. Yeah. So it found itself somewhere else. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Edge faces must. Actually, we can totally go look, right? Model edge faces. So it's in the topology. A faces left, right. Well, there you go. So the edge in the direction it's facing, okay, I need a prop. Edge. There's the edge. It's going this way. So the left face, then the right face. Okay. So whenever you have an undirected edge, easy. Left, right. That's how it is. So that looks sensible to me. Huh? That's a troll. Edge faces. Edge vert. Am I getting the parity wrong? I just kind of whipped out this code and guessed. So, as undirected. It's all a careful balance. I don't actually know that the negative looking vector is the problem. So, oh, it's so insane. It's just a totally different problem. I just want to run Arcane. I'm already tired. fast. Did you solve that Rubik's Cube? I have before. What happened? Failed to load file, unknown file format. That's a lie. Why are you doing this to me? I know why. I built it without... Yeah. I built it without the ability to read source maps. That's why I built so fast. Rubik's Cube. So it was correct. It's an unknown file format. I guess I should like have special errors or something. Maybe I should have unknown file format and unsupported file format. All right, I'm just gonna jump. Oh, right. It's gonna kill me, isn't it? Yeah, that's fine. I can just stay in the air. He said confidently. Should all work. I did see more divide by zero crashes. We'll need to figure those out too. Search engine. Oof. It's harder to like read the So it's way easier to cause this bug to happen now. I guess it's time to find that bug. New tangent. Okay, so I need backtrace. I'll need a different build style. So release. Profile. How do you do profiles? Wow. Profile. In release mode. Profile. Oh. I want to see that. Zero dependencies had feature incompatible warnings. Okay. Okay, so profile. So we need like a something. Okay, so Rust profile. Cargo profile. Yeah. I do want those. So I want big ol' opti. It's like this. So it's like yeah. So strip false. big ol' optimization. We can keep the overflow checks. We don't want LTO. This is supposed to be fast. The game is unplayable without good optimization. Is that gonna work? Bro. A problem is that building it optimized means some functions get compiled out, and so the stack trace is less noise. All right, no, I'm gonna. Surely. Shut up. Well, that's clearly slower. But, right, I also have to do it with a backtrace. I guess I can just build that in. I think that's how you do it. I forgot. We'll see. Alright, so it's playable at least. What the hell is going on? Come on. So bad. It's so like stuttery. Wait, is this the right map? Right, the bug was over here. Could it be an overflow check? There it is. Got it. Okay, so cool. Tasks and physics. Unwind div. Why div 5-2? Ratio divide. Okay. Vector wrap mutt. What do we suppose that is? Never short circuit. Try trait. Map. Iterator. Trusted iterator. Function erased. Try map. Drain array width. Try map map. You can see why it's slow. Macros divide. Vector. Ratio. Model. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Vert edges 964. Oh boy. Yeah, this should go on the master branch. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay. We're looking at 964 in model. That was irritating. NN. The normal is 0? Directed edge. Really? Okay, detect shared volume when the other mesh is mirrored along a test edge dir. Test edge dir. Okay, mirrored. That's insane. N. Directed edge. Why would the normal vector be 0? That sounds like a mesh generation issue. Bugs. Meshes are not supposed to have 0 normals. So mentally draining working on these bugs. But I'm absolutely making progress, and it's absolutely needed to be done. What does this function look like? I wonder if I can procedurally add. I bet I could. I might also be able to reflect it. So I can exit early as well, as soon as it's an empty volume. But that is very complicated. But this is probably one of the slow parts of the game, because it has to like do math, allocate, collect them all, put them together. Do math, allocate them all. Allocation is always quite slow when you're doing it in a hot loop. Okay, more allocation. Ow. Face ND. As ref iter. Yeah, I just was tired when I wrote this, and I was like, I know how to do it. I'm just going to do it. Ouch. And, yeah. It's so complicated. I wonder if it's even worth it. Maybe. I bet this would be greatly accelerated by cache, as is usually the case. Sigh. So it's 0. Okay, but then there's 2 ends there as well. Ugh. What does it mean when the edge is 0? I don't think it could mean a multitude of things. But mainly, it means that the mesh was generated incorrectly. That could be the physics thingy. I'm gonna write it down. Oh yeah, I think this is pronounced Minkowski, not Minkowski. Bruh. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah. Wrong. Correct. Same, dude. In German. Bruh. Yeah. So, I mean, I guess it's Minkowski. Unlucky. I think I learned that before, and then I forgot, which is surprising, because I'm doing this all the time. Okay. Divide by 0 Minkowski vert edges. And then bug 9 appears to identified as is suspected by the quaternion as a brush mesh, which is misinterpreted by the physics mesh conversion because of duplicate or identical face normals descriptions, I guess. Face hashes. Good enough to be. New bug after fix old bug plus another bug that cannot be identified discovered after fixing old bug. Literally squash one bug, 2 more pop up. It's a little bit unmotivating, demotivating. So before I can merge this branch, the max area triangulation, I gotta scoobity doobity, you know? I gotta, okay, shut. Okay. I gotta fix physics mesh generation. Whew, hard to say. Oy. Ugh. It's only been 3 hours. I am beat. I've been gotten beat down over the week. Thoughts on vibe coding? I did it once. I have experience. It's great when it works. I made this this website, strafes.net, just off vibes alone. And I streamed it too. But like that's a really, really simple use case. So it was effective. No way. Whereas what I'm doing now is probably some of the most complicated code I have ever written. So this isn't it. This is easy. ish. That's this stuff, and this is like some optimization BS. It's a subdivision of a polygon into triangles, which is called triangulation, doing max area first. So it greedily selects the triangle with the biggest area, and that's supposed to help with the rendering speed, which I believe. Great. I gotta change my mesh format to only accept triangle lists instead of polygon lists. Oh, let's see. I guess I should write it down as like format v2 try only triangle lists allowed. Instead of polygon lists. Yeah, this is why I need to write it down, because I forgot what the second change is. Damn. Let's see if I have it written down here. Oh, look, I have it written down. Yay, okay. Change vertex precision to P32. Change transform precision to P32. Rotation. Translation precision remains the same. Oh. Yeah, no, that's fine. Because you'll always subtract the vertices, so it'll be fine. Oy, 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 oy. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a nicer way to do it, but it doesn't matter. The area of the triangle. By nicer, I mean symmetric. Oh, yo. True. Exact face normals, and then face normals fit in, and I'll just cut from here. Oh, geez. Full precision reduces max precision. Yeah. So, okay, and then the rotation precision also helps with that. So like rotations, you don't need crazy rotations. Usually a lot of things will have no rotation, so. B64. Otherwise, cannot place. Yeah, I understand that, surely. Okay, no, I'll write it down. Place items in the full range of map coordinates, world coordinates. Models, meshes. Sure, whatever. It's fine. Okay, so it's like, this is the change, and this is the explanation. No. Cool. Okay, that's mesh format v2. Cool. So now when I go to actually do this, I can see, I can also accumulate things here. Oh, cylinders. Gosh. There's so many little things that I can distract myself with and stop focusing on the like most insane bugs. But I gotta focus. We must stay focused. Oh. Baba boy. This page is so good. And permalink. Cool. What do you suppose this is? Today, holy. What is this? Is this literally just a forum? Installing Windows 11 now. Linux distro hopping. GameDev.net. OpenGL.org. News. 2019. Bubbles. Metaballs. No way. God, imagine what you could accomplish if you, if you work on, if you started working on graphics a long time ago. So start now so that you can accomplish things. Oh. This guy was writing ideas that shaped the industry in 2009. What are they getting up to now? I didn't really foresee the internet. The industry didn't foresee that the century was going to end. That's funny. What? Numbers go bigger than 2000? Older websites chock full of useful info. Yeah, this seems like it could very well be the source of this information. The max area technique. This is the max area technique. This is fanning. This is triangle. Strip. So this is very efficient on memory, because you can specify the triangles like this. You go, it's a list of vertices. You go this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and you're like alternating which side of the strip you're updating with a new triangle. But with these, well, I guess you can do a triangle strip on this one as well. But like with trying a list of triangles, you have to specify all 3 vertices for every triangle. So it's 3 times bigger than a triangle strip. Very, very good packing format. But this one renders faster, as you can see in the console graph. You can still like represent it with triangle strips. Like you could go a strip here, and then like another triangle, a strip, another triangle. I wonder if it's worth it to runtime switch. I guess it. Excuse me. I guess it does anyways. Like if we go down to the graphics code, I should move this function so that it's literally at the bottom. Am I on the master bench? I'm gonna just do that. Graphics state. Where is it used? Okay, it'll tell me error. Okay, cool. Sick. Get instance buffer data. Oh, it's above that garbage. Okay. Okay, surely above is fine, right? Graphic state. That's graphic state. Oh. Wait. Oh my god. So that's this function. This just goes to the bottom of the file. Okay. Okay. Move away from the cool render code. Stupid render code. Graphics. This is the cool render code right here. No way. That's how the game draws graphics. So, indices format. Yeah, no, it's switched at runtime. So an if statement here wouldn't really... Actually, I could literally write the format. Indices buff slice. How do you draw vertex strips good? Triangle strip rendering. Maybe this has good. Oof. Curve tracing using a triangle strip. That is very cool. Huh. Degenerate strip. Complete object can be described as a degenerate strip which contains 0 area triangles. Oh. That the processing software will discard. Oh. Jumps to the strip. I did not consider that. I think I read that before. So it's like, oh yeah, no, that makes sense. Okay. Okay, so you don't need to like specify multiple strips. You just have the degenerate. Awesome. That's worse than converting a general polygon mesh to a single long strip was until recently generally not possible. I mean, not generally not possible. It either is or isn't possible. Do they mean that there was no algorithm? Oof. Poles. Several strips. Optimally grouping a set of triangles, sequential strips. NP complete. Optimal decomposition of polygonal models into triangle strips. Let's go. No way. Smallest possible cache. Hardness. We prove. K-strippability. Genus 0. Yo. Yeah, following a line is identical to defining a triangle strip. That's very cool. Variable gadget. Stopping gadget. Two coverings. Gadget. Bad. How the hell do you prove this? The proof is based on a simple local investigation of the cases in the neighborhood of V. What's V? This is... I don't get this. Clearly. Unreadable. Incident. What does that mean? Is that like occur? I can't comprehend this. Charge. Oh god. Linear. Oh. Oh, it's log. Exponential. Oof. NP. Oh, wait, real? Oh, hell nah. The running time grows exponentially with input size. Holy. That's a big oof. NP complete. It's crazy. Is this the same thing? Yeah, triangle strips are good, but they get complicated, yeah. Okay, so you can maintain a single draw call. Oh. 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 Okay. Okay, it must be set up in the pipeline then. No way. Model pipeline. I forgot. Vertex state. It's in here somewhere. It's, I think if I search for this triangle list strip, yeah, I can find it. What's the renderer for you? What do you mean? Mapping to a face. I don't understand what you're asking. Where do I specify layout? Okay, it's probably in the model stuff. Indices. Face crawler, and thought it was something else. Face crawler is physics, yeah. The face crawler is how my physics works. The algorithm starts out at the closest point, so the face crawler refers to crawling across the faces of the object, tracing the closest point to a path for like ray tracing. But I'm doing like a parabola. So you like start here, and then as you move, it's like, ah, yes, you are now on this edge. And then it stays on the edge until up here. And then, ah, yes, you are now on the face. So if it goes like this, then it could find that point of intersection by noticing that the traced closest point intersects with the path. And the reason I do it like that is because it extends to Minkowski sums. So I can do parabolic mesh tracing by just doing like normal parabolic tracing onto the Minkowski sum of the two meshes. And I don't have to compute the full Minkowski sum of the two meshes. I can just sort of query the topology of the mesh as it traverses across it. Very, very fancy and complicated, and I'm trying to debug it now. Because there's all sorts of little bugs that happen. And just go on like this. So, yeah, so like it works. Like I can touch things and it's great. But then there's little bugs. Like I'm supposed to have a hitbox with the size, right? So I can jump. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. I can jump on the edge like this. So the center is off the edge. And I can do that on both sides. so I can jump on the edges of this object, this part. But it doesn't work perfectly, so you can see that I can like fall off too early. But interestingly, if I then change the way that I land on the part, it works properly. So the like internal state of the algorithm as it traces you across the surface is not implemented perfectly correctly. There's always a side that fails depending on the way you land on it. F0 works. I don't know how F0 works. It works very well when you aren't in constant contact. But even then it can still fail. Where are those zero normals coming from? I'm kind of getting mentally drained by the work. I'm like focusing on the hardest work because it's not getting done over time by chance as I like look over the code. Let's see. F0 physics. Ew. Sounds like I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know what you were talking about or how to find out information about it. God, it's such a miracle that this game runs at all. It's doing so much work, so much math. I need to work on the algorithm. The setup is the slowest part of the algorithm. Like I just glossed over it in my description, but finding the initial closest point of the starting point on the path is the slowest part of the algorithm. Oh yeah, just find the closest point on the Minkowski sum. So easy. Oh, the gaming route. Cool route. It's cool guy. Oof. Yeah, I've only been streaming for 4 hours, but like it's really tiring. Should I be distracted and like work on something fun? The problem is that I need to go on these deep debuggings and then resume them the next day as well. And if I have like rebases to do and stuff, I guess it's not that hard to rebase. Yeah, this game is so fun. I wish I could play it with leaderboards. Yeah, like unions. If I go back over here, I can't. Oh. Wait, what? Did I miss something? Yeah, I thought so. I thought so. Okay, so these are unions, and I recently added physics and graphics for them. But I didn't complete what I was doing. Barycentric coordinates. I don't remember what that is off the top of my head. Complex coordinate system. Reference to a simplex. Oh, it's like 0 to 1 based on the simplices. For physics? How did that help? Why does that help it? Well, what am I running into? Is there like an object jumping on? No, it looks like it's just on the ground. Tetrahedron. No way. Simplex. Wait, is it like 4-dimensional? Do they have like time going on as well? Oops. Oof. God, I suck. Oy, 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 oy. Oh. I could have made that if I took a straighter path. Okay, I also gotta figure out why this is too fast. Damn. 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 It's way too fast. I wonder if it's like applying every frame multiple times or something. Oh my god. Where does it run? It runs in the game mechanics. Oh my god. Another thing. So I was also thinking about replays. Probably I'll need an actual like replay system. I might actually want to just make the task stuff like soon. Because you kind of expect to be able to jump around when you load a replay. And like that's like a big part of like why I'm making this. Yeah, but I really want to fix the physics bugs. That's not a physics bug. That's a map conversion bug. But there's plenty of physics bugs to go around. What? Oh dear. Fast, fast, fast. Too fast. Ah. Nah. Ugh. All right. I've exhausted my supply early. I did do stuff and figure things out, so there is progress, but that's the slog. It's not giant flashy progress. It's slow, methodical, coming back to the problem every day, figuring one thing out at a time until there's no bugs left. Buh. Buh. Oh. The bug. The bug. Have to go over here. So that's Friday, isn't it? So I'm gonna come back on Monday. I'm streaming Monday to Friday, doing the game engine programming. I will be back. I will do more programming. Goodbye. Goodbye.